Hi, this is Mass Management app. Welcome to Mass Management app. Using this app, you can track your meal, market cost, uh, rent, etc. Here, first you have to register using your username, email, and password. Then you will enter into this page, and if you want, you could continue with Google. Here, I am continue using Google account. First, when you create a user and login, you will redirect into Mesh wizard page. First, you have to create a mesh. Suppose I am creating mesh for December 25. Here, um, you can put a description of the mesh, and you have to select date. Um, I am selecting for December 1 to 31 and click next. And as a first member, already it shows uh, my username and email address. Here I have to put rent. Suppose my rent is 3000, and second member, for second member, I am uh, giving information. You can select role. Based on this role, by default, uh, who create the mess is will be manager, and for others, if you not select role, by default he is a member. If you select editor or manager, he will get some privilege based on this role. For time saving, I don't add other member here. If you want, you can click data input button here. By uh, clicking here, you can import data from the previous month. Yeah, this is new user, so it has no mesh before I have created. I am selecting click to the next button. Here bill type, suppose gas bill 2000. This 2000 taka will be divided into the two members. You can add more. Suppose uh, service search and click finished. Here two member it shows. By clicking here, you will get mm, you have to put meal. Suppose breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Uh, you can also put here decimal value. Suppose 1.5, 1.5, or zero point 0.5 for as usual half meal. And click Prohibit. Here you can also put meal, and at the end you have to click save button and click bill. And while creating the mesh, you have put this two common bill. Later, if you want, you can add more bill here and click save. If you go to the cost tab, here you have to input the market cost. Suppose uh, I have spent three 4,000 taka for market purpose. Here you can enter quantity. If you want, you can put more specific information. Suppose I have um, spent in beef 5 kg, 4,000 taka, and vegetables 5 kg, 500 or more, or 2,000 taka. And if when I click Wahidut, then previous tab data will be saved. But at the last, you have to click the save button. Suppose he spent in fish uh, 10 kg, cost 5,000. Then click the save button. If you go to the member tab, you will see here the meal rate, total meal rate, total meal 9.50 meal he has consumed. And if you multiply 9.50 with 814.81, then total market meal cost will be 7,740.70. Here he spent in market total 6,000 taka. When you uh, subtract 6,000 with total meal cost, then he will get, that means MD Nasim will get 740 taka from the meal, and his rent was 3,000 while I creating the math I have put. Then if you total sum, then you at the end of the month you have to pay 7,490 taka. And as usual for Roidut, it's same. When you one more thing, when you see here greater pay or minus, and here if you see here plus, plus means he will already it is surplus he has spent, but minus means he have to pay seven seven 1,740 taka more he have used, consumed, that he his total meal cost, comparing his total meal cost. If you want here you can click, if you want you can update this information. You can also add new member from here. Any time of the month you can add new member. Suppose if when you maintain it in Excel sheet, it is very difficult to maintain. If you want, you can delete any member here. You can. If you go to the mass list, you will see the mass total summation. Total market cost is 5,000 taka, total meal for total meal rate, common bill per member, etc. And for the next month, if you when you create a match, if you want to input some data from the previous match, then you have to click the uh, data input. And if you see here, you have some information. um, you only need to update the date for it is actually make your typing um, time reduce. For January, if I create a mess, click next, you will see the member of the previous month. Suppose this member is same as it is, so you need not to input the information again and again, and click next. Then you will see the common bill and click next. Okay. Mm, if you need any update feature from this app, then you can comment into the below of this video. I will try to update, and if you want, I can show you the source code. Uh, Here I have used a web API and a presentation layer, which is ASP.NET MAUI, uh, and API is made in web ASP.NET Web API. Here I have used uh, unit of work pattern. If you see here the generic repository I have used, and mm these two repository is um, inject into unit of work. Later into the one more video, I will try to explain the project architecture and every details. I think it's enough for this video because it will be lengthy. Thank you.